Let's make something sweet today. My favorite Thai sweet food, Kanom Krok. We are using cooked rice flour, custard sugar, shredded coconut milk and water, and don't forget a pinch of salt. First, prepare the eggshell batter. Put all the ingredients into the blender and mix to combine. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Put the batter into the teapot for easy pouring. Then we are going to make the creamy lava filling. We have custard sugar, coconut milk, rice flour, and a pinch of salt. I love adding sweet corn and spring onion as filling. Then get everything ready. Brush the pan with coconut oil. Pour the coconut shell batter up to 2/3. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes. And add the creamy lava filling until full. Drop the sweet corn and spring onion. Can't you hear the sound of sizzling? Put the lid on and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Cook until the edges turn golden and crispy. Using the spoon to scoop it out. Serve it hot right away. These little coconut snacks are soft inside and crispy outside. I grew up eating this as snack food, and now we can easily make it at home. It's cozy, simple, and full of coconut flavor. You have to try it. Thanks for watching, my love. See you next video.